Wheel spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the outer edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to fit larger wheels or tires on your vehicle, to avoid rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your vehicle is a matter of personal preference and taste, but many people agree that wheel spacers can improve the look of your car. By changing its stance and proportions, wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your car are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, steering system, brake system. Wheel spacers can affect these factors by changing the geometry and dynamics of your car, increasing the clearance of your wheels or tires. The clearance of your wheels or tires is the amount of space that allows them to move freely without rubbing against your fenders or other parts of your car. You need to have enough clearance for your wheels or tires to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variations. Wheel spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the center line of the wheel or tire and the mounting surface of the hub. Wheel spacers can create the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relative to the hub. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.